homemade donuts. Yum, yum. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to show you the easiest donut recipe you'll ever think to make. And it takes no time, you don't have to wait for things to rise, and you'll never tell the difference of a homemade donut. So, I hope you like content like this. If you do, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Doesn't cost you anything. So without further ado, let's get started. What you'll need for this recipe are Glaze Flaky biscuits and oil for frying. And I'm letting my oil get up to about 350 to 375. And while that's happening, I'm gonna make my donuts with these. This has always been a favorite, like at Christmas time, because you know you can't go out, rightly so, and buy donuts on Christmas morning. So you get your fresh donuts, and it's real easy to make. And you just separate them into the 8 pieces. And I just use a small cookie cutter. And before I got the small cookie cutters, I just used to use a measuring cup shot glass. And you just cut out, I think we can go a little smaller. And you just cut out your donut holes. Just push straight down, you don't really want to twist it. I think I like the donut holes better than the donuts sometimes. I love these. I hadn't had these cookie cutter sets for the last couple of years, and I really love them. Alright. And so we'll wait for our oil to get hot, and I'll be back. Alright, my oil is right at 350 degrees, and you want it between 350 and 375 because you don't want them to cook too fast because you want them to get done in the center. And now only 2 or 3 at a time, you drop your donuts in and let them get brown. And I have to say, this beats the having to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning to let them rise to have donuts for breakfast. And this does it. This goes very fast. And once they start getting brown, you just want to flip them over. You get a good look. How good does that look? You can kind of hear them. They sound kind of hollow. And you just take them out, and I have a wire rack on my baking sheet, and I just put them up there and let them drain and move on to the next ones. And I'll have these done from beginning to end in less than 30 minutes. The longest thing it took was waiting for the oil to heat up. And that is two packs of Grand Biscuits, 16 donuts. Now all I need is my glaze. Alright, for my glaze, I'm just going to do a regular glaze, a powdered sugar with a little bit of milk. And I put a little bit of vanilla extract. I've got about 4 cups of powdered sugar. And I have also made these donuts and used chocolate ganache to go over them. And that is really good too. But I'm just going to do the plain glazed ones this time. And to that I want to add about 4 tablespoons of milk, just enough to get it want it to be a little thick but not overly thick, but you don't want it so runny that it won't stick to the donut. And a little liquid goes a long way in powdered sugar. You can add it in, but you have to keep adding powdered sugar to not take it out. This would be perfect for like a cake, but I need a little bit thinner for the glaze on the donuts. There we go, I think that's about right. Donut. I just use my hands. You can use tongs, and I still think I can get it a little bit more liquidy. My donuts are still warm, but they're not hot. I mean, they cool off very quickly. She is. Look delicious. Yum. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell. And until next time, bye.